I'm gonna do some fan experiments. I'm gonna do some fan experiments. Do fan experiments. Okay. Okay, that's how you play your games. Alright then. Oh well. You wanna do some experiments? Alright, I'll do the experiments. So that's how you play your games now. The thing just fell. Screw this in. If it lets me screw it in. Nah, my fan's broken. How to cut it. How to cut it. How to cut it. How to cut it. I have to. This thing's pinching me again. Now let's do some more experiments. Wait, what the freak is that? What is this? What is this? Random crap. I don't care if it's messing up the blades or not. All I care is the experiments. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, I had to throw a string at the fan, and now it's totally stuck on there. Get out of there. What if I do this? Throw a hat at it. And I'm gonna make sure if it's anything tries anything funny. I got an extra blade. If it tries anything funny. I'm gonna throw my Fortnite hat at it. Nah, it's wobbling now. It's wobbling. Interesting. Chat, it's wobbling. Wait, what if I do this? What if I do this? Now you're a pro gamer. Now you're a pro gamer. Ow, my nose. That freaking hurts.
That man said, you fucking me, I fucking you.
Bruh.
You said, you fucking me, I fucking you.
Oh. I had no breath. I had no breath. Ran out of breath. Looks like I gotta do it again.
Oh God, please.
Bruh,
No.
I'm gonna throw something else. How about a paper phone? The iPhone 16 mini. So you're gonna try that to me now. Really interesting. That's how you ruin my life. Huh? Ow. Chewed on something? I don't want to chew it anymore. Mars fan experiment. Where's the thing at? Screw this in, I guess. Yeah, let's try that. I better take off the blades. Should I put the fourth blade on? Where's the fourth blade? Should I put this on? Oh, Chad, do you know Blaze like me? He really does. I'm not
Your
lying.
child doesn't care.
Just like you, brother.
I know I don't. How did you know
I'm
that I don't
gonna
care?
stay quiet of this episode
How did you know that I don't care?
because you never care about anything.
Exactly. They just care about what you're putting in the video. He doesn't care about your drama with your little buddy friends.
Shut up, brother.
Okay, they don't care about that. They care about the ceiling fan video.
I gotta put 4 blades on. We'll watch what happens. Where's the thing? Where's the thing? Oh well, I guess I gotta put this on. How do I put this in? There we go. I got it. Hey. I'm gonna do this real quick. Really, dude? So you're not gonna be tying all day?
What?
Well, I bet I'm gonna get kicked. I'm gonna get kicked from the party.
Because like I told you this, your viewers don't care about what you're on your Fortnite game. Make sure you subscribe to my channel also. With his also.
I got it. I got it. God, Titan, finally. Now I need to spread out these blades. Where's the other thing for this? Got 4 blades on. There it is.
I hope so, because I'm jealous of people in the 70s.